हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक। हम आ चुके हैं खेलने वापस प्लेग टेल। हमने कल यहीं छोड़ा था चैप्टर 3 रेट्रिब्यूशन। हम एक बॉस फाइट जीत के आए थे और अब हम यहाँ चर्च में पहुँचे हैं। ये चर्च का रास्ता हमें उस ओल्ड बूढ़ी अम्मा ने बताया था कि तुम वहाँ जाओगे तो तुम्हें शायद से लॉरेंटियस मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि वहाँ कोई जाता नहीं है। बट यहाँ पे अभी ह्यूगो को कैंडल जलाने से टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है। एक बार वो जला दे फिर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। और यहाँ क्या क्या है ढूंढने के लिए। ये भाग नहीं रही है तो क्या है यहाँ पे। ओके देयर इज अच्छा वो जाएगा ही नहीं। हमने पहले ढूंढा था उससे, बट स्टिल गेम को चाहिए था ह्यूगो ढूंढ के बताया। बट हम थोड़ा और देखेंगे ताकि हमें
There might be people here.
तो हम पहले थोड़ा सा और ढूंढ लेंगे, उसके बाद ही डिसाइड करेंगे।
Forgive me for the evil I have just committed. I never.
उसको हम evil नहीं कह सकते हैं,
Sorry.
तो सेल्फ डिफेंस ज्यादा कहा जाएगा। evil तो वो कर रहा था एक छोटे बच्चे को मार के।
A barricade.
Why have they done that?
To stop someone from getting in or out.
पता नहीं। We have more loot. 2 alcohol. अब we are good to go to the ladder. एक रेंज अटैक ही है, कोई मील अटैक है नहीं इस गेम में, which I don't like.
I hope it doesn't break like the other one.
थोड़ा
It won't,
Assassin's
Hugo.
Creed
Trust me.
टाइप वाइब अगर रहते,
Alicia,
हिडन
there's
ब्लेड,
someone there.
चाकू वगैरह।
What are you doing here?
Father, we need help.
Leave! It's dangerous. You have no business being here.
Wait, please. It's important. We should go and talk to him.
Yes, we would talk to him. भागो, रोको उसको। रुकने वाला तो है नहीं, पर भाग
Is he the
के
one who
जाएगा ही
knows where
कहाँ।
Laurentius is?
It has to be him. It has to.
Oh, they've broken everything.
अरे बाप रे,
What's going on here?
Perhaps they're
सब कुछ
building bigger
टूटा हुआ है।
beds?
I don't think that's it.
बिगर बेड है ना, कितना होशियार बच्चा है। Why does it like भागते ही नहीं है एमनीसिया इंडोर्स में।
I know that smell.
Which smell, Hugo?
Medicinal herbs. The monks must have put them in the water to purify themselves.
एक और loot.
Mother used to do the same.
Like till now we know Hugo suffers from some disease. अब किस बीमारी से ह्यूगो जूझ रहा है हमें नहीं पता, बट हम पता लगाएंगे। और हम नीचे आ चुके हैं। कहाँ गया वो? कहाँ हो तुम?
Flowers. They're so pretty.
कितना भागता है ये बच्चा, एक जगह रुकता ही नहीं। यस पे यार।
They're carnations. We had some in my herbarium. But those ones are prettier.
Hugo, we have to keep moving.
Wait, come here.
What?
It will protect you. And it's pretty too.
Oh. All right.
Now we can go.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Hugo.
You're welcome.
ह्यूगो जी ने हमें एक फ्लावर दे दिया। ये फ्लावर हमको प्रोटेक्ट करेगा। हम पत्थर के जैसे इस फ्लावर को मार सकते हैं। वो अंदर है, बट यहाँ कुछ और लूट जरूर होगा। आई सस्पेक्ट लूट एंड आई गॉट इट। लाइटिंग अच्छा है, क्या ही अच्छा है, कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है। एंड there he is. Where is the father?
Father,
You again. I told you to
just a
leave.
moment. Just a...
You have
अरे
no
अरे
idea.
सुन तो ले,
Leave
सुन
while
तो
you
ले।
still can.
Please, someone has to help us. Do it for him at least.
ये मरेगा पक्का। लाइक आई हैव अ फीलिंग, लाइक जितने भी गेम आई हैव प्लेड अब तक, जिन लोगों ने भी हीरो की सुनी है, जो पहले डिनाई कर रहे थे, बट बाद में हीरो ने बोला नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा
Yes, I know him.
थोड़े लिए हमारे लिए सुन लो।
And I know he
They
used
die.
to look after your family.
As per the game history knowledge I have.
I am Father Thomas. Your presence here is not a good sign.
Our presence
Inquisition.
anywhere is not a good sign, I
They came
suppose.
and they...
I can imagine. But what is happening here is far worse. You must leave immediately, or you will die.
सी
Father,
ये
the
हिंट
villagers
दे
wanted
रहा है
to
हमें
kill us.
Oh, they're mad. They're mad. Oh, Laurentius. Laurentius.
फ्लोरेंटियस ये
No, I cannot leave the church, but an exit through the crypt of the Three Saints. It may not be too late. I shall try to put you on the path to Laurentius's
that
farm.
works.
But after that, may God watch over you.
We are the main character, we won't die, don't worry.
All seems calm for the moment. Come. Bubble, be sure to stay in the light.
Stay in the light.
Why are there crosses on the village doors? Is it really the plague?
It started with bites during the night. Then the sickness spread. First in families, then to everyone. Fever, boils. People started dying. And when we finally found out where it came from, boy, it was already too late.
And where did it come from?
We're nearly there.
Where did it came from? We're nearly where?
Brother Morel should be here. We are the last two remaining.
Brother Morale. Where is your brother Morale? Last two of them are remaining, as he says. कुछ तो हमला होगा बड़ा सा
Brother Morel,
बड़ा सा
stay here.
We would stay here. वो अभी उसने बोला stay in light और वो लाइट छोड़ के जा रहा है.
Brother Morel.
क्या ही बोले?
Brother.
कुछ तो जंप स्केयर टाइप होगा, कुछ तो जरूर होगा, हो रहा है.
What is the matter? Father?
No.
आ गया रैक द प्लेग तो ऐसा नहीं है प्लेग इज जस्ट वन तो छोड़ के क्यों जाता तीनों को साथ में लेके जाता अरे बाप रे ओ दादा ये ब्लर करना पड़ेगा बाप रे ओके रैट्स आर स्कैर्ड ऑफ लाइट जस्ट टू लेट यू नो मैंने बोला था ये मरेगा
Each of them said they ate
उसके हरकतें अरे बाप रे
How can there be so many of them?
आते ही जा रहे हैं बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं
The light! They're scared of the
The
light!
scared of light पक्का शुरू में उसने बोला था he knew and he still did that
It's a nightmare!
We have to get back outside, Amicia.
I know! Keep moving!
you have to get that
Among
ये रहा ब्रदर
the other
मोरल
brother.
कैसे हो सर जी आप अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे
We're going to have to climb up. I'll have to put the torch down.
No, please.
Calm
Yes.
down. There's a torch holder.
Down,
We'll still have
down.
light.
But then what?
We'll find something.
find something developers for sure would have kept something आगे
Stand where there is so
उठाओ
many
इसे
fire. We need some fire.
while holding you can press
The wood will burn quickly. We have to hurry.
this wood would burn quickly तो भागो फिर
Go away.
shift is not working
Down
भाग
you
ही
go.
नहीं रहे
The
हैं
light will
जैसे
protect us, alright?
All right.
मरो देखो जल गए सारे आहा
So that's their plague. Rats. The priest spoke of a way out through the crypt.
Amicia, the three statues.
The crypt of
The
the
three
three saints.
saints.
It's the exit the father spoke of. We have to
exit
find another
but
way.
another way थोड़ा लूट कर लेते हैं इस लूट का क्या करना है पता नहीं
Come
बट
on,
लूट
I'll help you.
Yes.
नहीं, तो कैसे जाएंगे हम? कोई स्टिक वगैरह नहीं है यहाँ पे?
Up there, Amicia.
I should be able to knock it down.
Okay. And then
They've eaten them all.
Try not to look. We can't do anything for them now.
It's horrible.
I know.
look where?
Come on.
अच्छा यहाँ पे, ओके। वापस ऊपर जाने के लिए एक सीढ़ी मिल चुकी है। इतने सारे आए कहाँ से? इतने सारे, और बाहर से चले जाओ भागते भागते। ज़रूरी है क्या ये अंदर से जाना? लूट, लॉट ऑफ लूट। और लूट, बस लूट के लिए। अच्छा वहाँ पे है, आई सॉ समथिंग। ये बना दिया हमने एक
Right. We'll
सीसॉ।
pass at the same time. Follow me.
All right.
फॉलो हर। Now we will go. Run.
They're making too much noise. Too much noise.
Hugo,
Too
calm
much
down.
noise. तो नॉइस से कुछ तो तकलीफ है ह्यूगो को, जितना हमें पता है। बट क्यों है वो नहीं पता, वही खोजेंगे हम। अच्छा, हमने तो सारी लूट ली थी, फिर भी हमारे पास कुछ अपडेट करने के लिए नहीं है। दिस इज क्वाइट स्ट्रेंज। जी लेने के बाद कुछ बन जाए। हाँ, पॉकेट होल्ड्स अप टू 12 मटेरियल्स ऑफ ईच। यस, मोर मटेरियल्स,
Not bad.
मोर अपग्रेड।
Not bad at all.
नॉट बैड ऑल, नॉट बैड। बिल्कुल बैड
No
नहीं
rats.
होगा। कैसे बैड होगा?
Oh no, no!
Rats.
I don't see any torches. How can we? What are we going to do?
I see this shiny and
That seems to keep them busy.
Are you sure?
Another help should be
oh,
enough. Come on.
oh, तो ये लोग हैम पे फूड पड़ते हैं and keeps them busy, but for how long? I don't know. Let's try. You wouldn't stay for much longer. Light.
Yeah, the three saints.
We're getting closer to the way out.
Getting closer. Yes, yeah.
All right. Let's
और
be careful.
लाइट और चूहे। पहले हम ये लेंगे, इसके बाद हम इसके ऊपर चढ़ेंगे।
We'll be safe if we go that way.
यस, बिल्कुल। चूहों में से जाएंगे तो सेफ नहीं होंगे।
Don't fall.
इतना तो हमें
Don't fall.
We won't fall.
we won't
Hold
fall.
my hand tight.
Hold my hand tight. And then we have another ham for them. And we are free to go. Hey, आगे आगे आगे। हाँ,
That torch.
There's a hole in the grating.
I'll lift this up. Can you get the torch?
Yes.
press E rapidly to let Hugo go in and lift
It's
the
heavy.
torch. But वो तो
Hugo,
Hugo
hurry
जाएगा,
up.
हम थोड़ी
Come
जाएंगे।
on.
हमें उन चूहों ने खा लिया
Are
तो
you alright?
Yes. Stay where you are. The ground is rotten.
Amicia, how am I going to get back?
We'll find a way. Don't worry. As long as you have the torch, you'll be safe.
But what about you?
We'll
yes, what about
move
us?
together. That way, the light coming through the grating will protect me too. Ready?
Ready?
Here we go then. Slowly.
ओके, जैसा आप कहें अम्मी से
Very
हम
good.
लाइफ में ही रहेंगे। भागो 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 भागो, हमारे पास आगे कुछ नहीं होगा, बट वहाँ पे लूट है, हमें
There's a
चाहिए।
hole. Do you want the torch?
Yes, there are too many rats on my side.
But where can I get through?
The hole behind you. That's the only way I can see. Go through there and I'll meet you on the other side.
Are you sure?
Just stop if you see rats. I'll be with you very quickly.
Alright, but please hurry.
ओके, ये ज़्यादा यहाँ देख नहीं सकते, इतना ब्लर करने में, एडिटिंग में बहुत मेहनत लग जाएगी।
Quick now.
And run quick, quick, quick.
Hugo!
The view
What's going on?
of the village.
Hugo! Talk to me!
इतनी सारे
Come
जंगल
Come on!
एक्सक्यूज मी टॉर्च ऑन किए ओके एक्सपेक्टेड ये यहाँ होना ही चाहिए था ये कहीं तो हम वहाँ से लूट है जाने दो इतना रिस्क नहीं लेंगे हम इसे जला सकते हैं शायद ये
Hugo,
अब
are you alright?
ओके
I ran to the light.
Did they bite you?
No, I found a ladder. But there are ladders down
I'll open a way
And
through. We're going to get you down from there. Calm down, Lucy. He's fine. You're fine.
crowd
Stay focused. These quick
Focus.
burn too quickly.
बाप रे
I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
कितना ही ब्लर करें कर करके कहाँ लुक करना है थैंक यू
Perfect. Thank you.
तो वहाँ पे हम आएंगे कैसे कैसे यहाँ पे कोई वुड ही नहीं है वापस कैसे जाना है हम उधर नहीं जा सकते वहाँ से लेके आ जाते वरना कुछ ऊपर भी नहीं है वहाँ है बट वहाँ तक पहुँच नहीं सकते हैं अगर वहाँ से वो मिल भी जाए तो जलाते वापस आना पड़ेगा अरे बाप रे यहाँ पे क्या करना है एनी आइडिया ए भाई आराम से एनी प्लेस भाग ओके ठीक है हमने ये ले लिया ये लेने से पहले हमको ये गिराना पड़ेगा हमने गिरा भी दिया अब हम ये लेंगे अगर हम उधर तक जाते भी हैं इसके अंदर जाके देखें पहले ठीक है वो बंद वो लेट्स गो साइड नाउ फर्स्ट
Hugo, I have to get him down here.
ओके तो ह्यूगो के साथ यहाँ आना है तो ये जगह तो कुछ काम की नहीं है तो हम ये लेके यहाँ तक जा सकते हैं ये ले लेंगे भागो जलना
These twigs burn too quickly. I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
अरे फेंक क्यों दिया अभी क्या
Thank you.
What next? What next, madam? What next? I can't see anything. How do we go there? There is oh, दिख गया यहाँ छुप के बैठा था. Now we can go here. We can grab a stick and to bring the stick back. We would burn the stick and would go to the next fire exit we found. Easy, है ना? फैब्रिक भी ले लेंगे हम रास्ते में
Ready. You
हम
can
इसे
come down
जला
now.
देंगे बड़ी फेक क्यों दे रही है जलाते ही जला दिया इसका ये मतलब थोड़ी वो लकड़ी फालतू हो गई चलो Hugo
I shouldn't have left you alone.
Let's
It's
go.
too risky.
That's alright.
थोड़ा लूट लेने के बाद we would do this and I don't think we need a torch anymore. Torch के साथ the player doesn't sprint इसलिए I don't like torch. धीरे धीरे स्पीड रन इसका स्पीड रन कितना है बात I don't know. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं ढूंढ इधर नेक्स्ट बाय द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड आई विल फाइंड आउट इसका स्पीड रन है कितना व्हाट्स द टाइम and we are there the
Thank
crypt.
you. We can get out
Yeah,
of here now.
Yes, far
Yes,
away.
we would get out of here. तो पहले we would do some upgrades करने के लिए तो कुछ है ही नहीं हमने इतना सारा सामान लिया कुछ अपडेट करने के लिए मिला ही नहीं यहाँ ये रखने का
I'll give you a
मतलब
hand.
क्या हुआ?
Right.
मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कुछ छोड़ा एक्सेप्ट दैट वहाँ पे एक
What's
जगह
that on the
थी.
ground?
Should we go anyway?
Yes,
This
we've managed to
thing-
get this far. We'll be fine. Just stay close.
The crypt
What's that?
is kind of dangerous.
I don't
Very
know.
dangerous. बापरे बाप, ये क्या है ये? ये क्या चीज? इसको जला दो.
They did that.
You think so?
The rats
We're in their
did
nest.
that.
So they're going to be even more angry?
It's the rat's nest. According to Amnesia. According to me, it's something that the rats made, but I don't think it's their nest
Yeah.
or something.
It's
Kuch
burning
और
my
ही है ये.
throat.
Burning my throat, mine as well. मुझे देख के throat burn हो रहा है. हम लोगों को okay, we
Over
found a
there.
way out.
Light. We're there. We're there, Hugo.
We are there. चलते हैं.
Hugo, run.
Run, मेरे बच्चे, भागो 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 भागो, cinematic run, and we did it. We crossed the
We did
crypt.
it. We did it.
Now we would meet
We did it.
Laurentius. Finally, Laurentius, we are coming.
Amicia. I want to see Mommy.
No, you won't see mommy. She is dead.
I
एक
don't
बार बोल
want her
दिया
to
इस
be
बच्चे के
dead.
दिमाग में जाता ही नहीं है.
Hugo.
इसको क्या बोले? छोटा है.
I want her to come back.
Finally, both of us made this far. Sorry, made this far. The crypt. Now it's time to see Laurentius, Mr. Laurentius. Chapter 4.
Amicia. So
When
we'll never be
I will
able to
pronounce.
go back home?
No. It's too dangerous.
Dangerous.
Are there rats
Very
there too?
dangerous.
Maybe. I don't know, Hugo.
I'm scared. They'll find us when it gets dark.
We'll be safe with Laurentius. Come on.
Laurentius. Who is that Laurentius? Like we know who's that Laurentius. इनका डॉक्टर है. Now we'll find Laurentius very soon. But अगले एपिसोड में. Not in this. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thanks for watching. मिलते हैं जल्द ही.